It's March in South Australia, which means the lovely autumn weather has arrived. The days are much cooler, the weather is milder, and it's a great time to get out into your garden. Here are some ideas to get your garden in tip-top shape this March in South Australia. It's a great time to get your new season veggies and flowering seedlings in your garden. There's a fantastic range in store right now. You can put them in your garden, in pots or in hanging baskets. Most thrive in a sunny spot in well-drained, fertile soil. Why don't you have some fun with seedlings in pots? Plant veggies such as lettuces together with some flowers like lobelia, dianthus or calendula. There's nothing like the taste of homegrown produce. You should be getting your seedlings in now for winter. Things like broccoli, cauliflower, silver beet and spinach should go in now and you'll be eating them in no time. Rejuvenate your herb patch with parsley, marjoram and thyme. For something a bit different, why don't you try the stevia sugar plant? It's very sweet and the leaves are often used as a sugar substitute. However, it needs to grow in well-drained soil. If you're unsure about what's right for you, come into the store and we're always ready to give you some pointers. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants except seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. And if you're not 100% happy, just bring the plant back with your proof of purchase and we'll be happy to refund it. It's coming to the end of the season for your summer veggies, but you should still be picking tomatoes, capsicum, eggplant and plenty of chilies. The eggplant should still continue on into the autumn. If your garden's anything like mine, there's always plenty to do. But here are a few tips of what you should be doing this month. So get out your pruners and trim your evergreen shrubs. They'll probably be looking a bit tatty this time of year, so get rid of that growth and you'll encourage some new shoots. Herbaceous perennials that have finished flowering will need to be cut back now so you can tidy them up and you can get those new flowers going. Also, your garden beds will be hungry, so dig in organic matter and compost, and this will help encourage beneficial microorganisms and will enrich your soil for your next crops. Autumn is the best time to be out in your garden. The sun's heat is gone, the air is cool and the soil is moist and easy to dig. So get out into your garden and get started now. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.